Do you ever consider yourself like a financial janitor? Like you got to just clean up messes a lot?
Janitor. I don't think I've ever heard that analogy.
Well, I mean that in the most respectful way. That's a noble profession.
Well, I think, no, it is. I just had never thought about that.
Well, I know. It just seems like you're
cleaning up the
sweeping
mopping it up.
Right.
Well, yeah. So a lot of people think they have to be all organized. We had a gentleman call in, I think it was last year, and he's like, Brian, I want to work with you. I need to clean up my stuff first. I'm like, no. That's what we do. Like, well, you don't need to be.
You bring it in, we'll figure it out.
Yeah,
and then we'll show you.
Yeah, and we'll try to organize it and you can understand it before you go, because sometimes making those changes before you come in can actually be your detriment.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Let's figure out before you start consolidating anything. Some of those are irrevocable decisions, so let's go ahead and you don't have to be in perfect shape. It's kind of like you hire a personal trainer. They're not expecting to look like a model. That's why you're hiring them for.
Yeah.
They want you to get to the next level, of course, and they will coach you and teach you, hey, diet, and exercise and that sort of thing, right? But you don't have to be arrived already, right? And so I think that's where there's that expectation of let's work through this slowly, it's like a chipping away.
Yeah.
Let's just chip away at this first thing that's important to you. Hey, you want to invest your money safely or, more securely than you have it. You want to get an estate plan because if you pass away tomorrow, it's a mess. Let's get that focused right now. Important.
It's like herding cats. You want Brian to herd all your cats and round them up?
No herding cats.
He'll take care of it. Retire with Integrity is the show. Integrity Financial Planning is the name of the business. If you have saved towards your retirement, you can call Brian Bowen and his crew. It's a complimentary blueprint plan. 866 to plan for 866 TO plan and the number 4.